Wepa, mi gente. I came to Jamaica. I don't know what happened, okay? But this is this amazing dancer right here of Kizomba, okay? RASH royalty, okay? Guys, you guys you have to meet this woman right now, okay? I think I'm coming back to Jamaica. Girl, look, but now you're gonna see how she dance, okay? Don't worry about how she looks. She's already there, man. Don't worry. You can see this, all right? Now you're gonna have to understand how she dance, all right? RASH royalty. RASH.
Transformou meu sonho presa. Olha só como estou, olha só como estou, olha só. Eu não era assim quando minha mãe me nasceu. O coração não tinha amargura, não tinha dor, agora tô a sofrer por esta mulher. Até o